Have you or a loved one ever felt limited by mobility challenges? Struggling to keep up with daily activities, feeling unstable with traditional walkers, or constantly worrying about falls? What if I told you there's a walker that's not just lightweight and easy to use, but also offers unmatched stability and comfort? Meet the Evolution Trillium Series Walker, designed to change the way you move, giving you confidence, freedom, and comfort in every step. Let's face it, most walkers are far from perfect. If you've ever used one, you know these common frustrations. Bulky and hard to maneuver. Getting through doorways or tight spaces feels impossible. Unstable on uneven surfaces. Many walkers wobble, making outdoor walks unsafe. Uncomfortable seating. Hard, small seats that provide zero comfort for resting. Difficult to fold and store. Some walkers are a nightmare to transport or store. No one should have to deal with these daily struggles, because mobility aids should provide freedom, not frustration. That's where the Evolution Trillium Series Walker comes in. Designed with innovation and user comfort in mind, it eliminates these common issues and takes mobility to the next level. What makes it different? Ultra lightweight and easy to maneuver, effortlessly navigate tight spaces. Patented stability system. No more wobbles, even on uneven ground. Extra wide padded seat, designed for maximum comfort when resting. Quick fold technology, folded in seconds for easy transport and storage. Durable all-terrain wheels, move smoothly indoors and outdoors. It's not just a walker, it's a solution designed to help you move with confidence and ease. So, is the Evolution Trillium Series Walker worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a walker that's lightweight, durable, and comfortable, this is the perfect choice for you. For more info, check link in the description below for Evolution Trillium Walker today from homehealthcareshop.com. Your freedom, comfort, and confidence are just one step away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how mobility solutions have helped you.